I made it to the camper. Dogs are resting comfortably. Gemma said, I'm down for the count. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this battery out. Let's see what I can do. Oh my gosh, would you believe I actually got the battery out? I'm so excited. Okay, I couldn't do a very good video. It was really hard, but I finally found the right tool. That little thing and my almost non-working flashlight. Whew. Okay. I don't even want to hook up the camper to the electricity. Is that, like, I don't even know if that affects the battery. Look at that thing. Isn't that nice? I swear. It's so lovely. Okay, I'm gonna get this one out so I can take it to Batteries Plus and see. I think they have one that's comparable. Okay, let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna have to use both hands, I think. Whew. Okay, I got it this far. So they're 65 pounds. It's definitely cruddy. I should have worn gloves, but that's okay. I'll wash my hands. Okay, let's see what we can do. Oh man. Yep, it's heavy. Okay, I'm gonna use two hands and get this in the back of the truck. Okay, there she blows. I think I'm gonna have to drag it. I'm gonna drag it to the truck. Oh my gosh. Oh, shit. Switch hands. Okay, it's working. This is working. Okay. Oh, now I gotta lift it. Okay. Oh, I got it. I can't believe I got it. Okay. Let me lift it. Whew. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh, I got it. Now I can take it to the store and hopefully find exactly what I need. Oh man. Whew. Okay. Hopefully this is the last steps. Well, but actually I need to figure out if the converter's messed up or the inverter. I don't know why these batteries did this. So you can see how, I mean, I know they're designed to bulge out, but they should not have done that. So, and you know what I just thought when I got that other one in the truck? If I can find the right batteries, I'm gonna need both of these for recycling. Oh, wonderful. Okay, battery number 2 coming out. Haha, I gotten smarter. What is it? Work smarter, not harder? Ha ha ha. You will not win, battery. Look at that one, all that junk. Whew. Okay, the problem is getting it up to here. So I can barely get it up there, kind of on an angle, and then push it up against with my body and put it up in there. And then I've got a bungee cord. I'm gonna strap it around. Lord of mercy. Okay, both in and semi-secure. Plus, and they have what I need. So I'm getting 2 of the AGM batteries. He wants me to flip the truck around and he's gonna load me up. $728 or something, but I got 10% off for ordering online, which didn't work, but he's giving me the 10% off anyway. And of course the deposit fee. So we are good to go. I know the road noise might be a little much because I forgot my plug-in earphone thingies, but I'm excited. I'm going to the camper and the mobile RV tech is meeting me there, and I'm not going to say his name yet because he might not want me to say his name, but I'll ask after we meet up. But we actually met through Rusty's channel, and he commented about my batteries and the camper situation and said he could help me. And I know I had a couple other people that said they could help me, but this guy literally is right down the road. So Hopefully we can see what's going on, if it's the converter, the inverter. I don't know. I've got the batteries with me, and he said we might need to pull the camper out to let the inverter charge the batteries through the solar. But I don't know, you can see it's cloudy, but you know, I guess you'll get some kind of solar a little bit. So we'll see. Hopefully he can figure this out for me. I'll video some more after I get there. Okay, made it back here. I opened up before my RV guy gets here. I'm going to show you what type of battery. For those of you who use the AGM batteries, this is what I got at the Batteries Plus. And here they are. I looked at a lot of different batteries on Amazon and all over the place, and these are a pretty good deal. Batteries Plus, if you order online, gives you 10% discount, so that's pretty good off your total cost. So that's what they are. And I did measure, and they fit exactly the same size.
He hooked up the black to the red. And
God.
I hope you didn't pay this stuff. You don't know what that was doing. He didn't pass any of his tests. Did you see his diploma? They're going to come with all sorts of stuff.
I know, it's okay. Okay, we're trying to get them in. We got the batteries in. We got to make the connections. Ron is helping, or Ron is doing.
Yeah,
I'm helping, but not much.
You're supervisor.
Yeah, I'm supervisor, chief supervisor.
If I do something wrong, then you hit me with a stick.
No, and so far the converter is fine, you say? From what we can tell?
Yeah, when we powered it up,
okay.
Read 13.6 volts. So.
13.6 volts, so that's not a problem, so still don't know what's going on. So hopefully we don't fry the batteries.
Well, you got 1 year warranty. Just say it came like that. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I put them in and it didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work.
What the hell?
Yeah, what kind of cheap stuff you selling?
$730, come on.
Yeah, good something that's guaranteed.
I think we got it fixed. I'm gonna come back and check it. We got the converter is supposedly working, and okay, it is working. The solar's working. And so I need to come back and check it to make sure it's not overcharging. Because I guess that's really the only thing, that's the only thing that it could be, overcharging?
Yeah.
Or do you think, or no, it could have been just a bad battery?
Well, yeah,
or
bad battery
bad
or overcharging,
cell.
but right now the solar's charging right and the inverter's charging right.
Okay, so far. Okay, Ron's leaving with his friend. Thank you so much, Ron. Really. Oh my gosh. Let's hope we found the problem out. There he goes. And I'll put a copy of his card on here so y'all know where he is. He's not too far from San Antonio. Got the cushions out, got everything out just to make sure. And we couldn't really figure out, we can see where that wire was rubbing right there, which is kind of weird. It's raining now. And we pulled it out, got the solar charging it, and that's working. Put it in a normal amount, and he showed me, well, he taught me how to test the converter to make sure it's not overcharging the batteries, because that's the only thing we can think of that was the problem, but he said it might just be a bad battery. So, and he also said I might need to get some little covers for those screws, so I need to look up some covers for that. So hopefully I'm going to come back here tomorrow and make sure this is not overcharging. Hopefully it will work. Thank you so much, Ron. I really appreciate it, and thank you, Valerie, for accompanying Ron. You're a trooper. I went to check on the camper the next day. Ron showed me how to check it, so hopefully I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I need to, what's it bright? Okay, I gotta turn the battery on. Okay, and that looks normal. One of the problems was, and I need to ask this about in the new camp forum, is that even though everything was turned off, the batteries turned off, the power's turned off, nothing's plugged in, we were still getting 1 volt coming through. And we even put blankets on top of the solar panels to make sure it was black. So, but we couldn't figure out, we don't know. So does anybody know where that 1 volt is being pulled from? So they say that if the battery thing is turned off all the way, then nothing should be pulling from the battery, but that's not true. I'm getting 1 volt being pulled from someplace. And he's like, what's that thing? I said, that's the Jensen TV thing, but that turns off. Everything turns off. He said, you've got to have, there's got to be like a smoke detector or something that is pulling power even when you're not plugged in. I don't know what it is. So that could have, I don't know if that could have drained that battery that fast. I don't know. Okay, I checked the battery again. We have the battery disconnect turned off. And I am going to leave this plugged in to the power with the battery disconnect off. And then the battery has gone down a little bit, but it's still 13.59. But I'll come back and check on it in a couple days. I guess that's the answer. We'll have to see. We were gone for about, what, an hour?
Yeah, 45 minutes.
And it didn't go
to an
down.
hour.
Yeah, it didn't overcharge. Okay. I hope this is the answer. Dogs are in the car. Let's see. It's in nighttime. Babies! It's dark.
They look, you can't see
You
Gemma.
can't even see Jupe. Oh,
They're there.
They're there. Look at them.
Say bye.
Okay, see you later. Okay, I'm here. Hopefully one last time checking on this. I have unplugged the camper, turned off the power, turned off, well, the battery was already off. So I'm trying to figure out where that draw is coming from. So I'm gonna let it sit here over the week of Thanksgiving and come back on my way back and see what the battery looks like. So far, I think it's okay. Those aren't hot or anything, and I found out where the solar thing is. I don't know why they do that, but it's way, you can't see, oh, see that little, it's way back there behind, there's that little beeping is the solar, so maybe that's where the draw is coming from. That's gotta be it, because everything's turned off. Interesting. Huh. Let me know what y'all think about that, because everything's disconnected. Okay. Talk to you later.